Alright, I am cleaning cages right now, so I thought I would show you Remy's house. You know, just so if you want to set it up similar. This is pretty much what he's used to. It has a little front opening. He's sitting right here, hanging out. It's just one of those front access containers. And I have paper towels in the bottom. And I keep the moss in one corner, and I really wet that. That stays pretty wet. But I don't wet the whole thing. And then it has a stick, just a stick, and I wrap that, fake leaves around it. Then you get one of those foam pipe insulators, and the stick helps support that. Down here is their water and a little bowl of food. And then I put the bugs that are dusted right next to the stick that slopes down. They like to stand on the stick and hang down and eat the bugs. It works pretty well, because then they'll automatically do that. Excuse the room, because I'm kind of cleaning everything right now, so it's kind of a disaster. So that's Remy's house. Say hi. Say hi, Mom. Pretty chill. There's your house.